Alright, this will be an advanced looping example, also teaching a little bit of cryptology, or what that even is. So I'm going to get started with first an explanation of what we'll be doing in this program. So for many years, don't remember exactly the history of it, but people have been encrypting their messages so other people can't read them on the way, and then turning them back into their normal messages afterwards. For example, there have been decoder rings and lunchboxes and stuff where you move your letters up the alphabet by 3 or something, so an A becomes a C becomes F, and then once you have that message, you can send it to someone, and if they know the number, it's really easy for them to turn it back to the original message. So what we're going to do in our Python program is actually make our own cryptology translator thing, that if a friend has this same sort of file, they'll be able to also translate the text back, and you can send secret messages to each other that only if someone knows Python or how to decrypt messages, they'll be able to figure it out. But so without further ado, we'll get started. The first two things you have to learn in this cryptology thing will be the character function and the ORD function. What do these do? So the character, I'll just take these actually over into the shell to demonstrate. ORD gets the number of a character. So if you have the character like A, capital A, ORD of that is 65. ORD of capital B is 66. So you know the numbers are kind of stored in a linear way here. And then, if you might have guessed, CHR function, character, takes a number. Say if I enter 65, it'll give me A. If I enter the character of 67, that'll give me C, because I've made the connection here. And all the characters in Python have a number associated with them that you can transfer back to a character, and the character you can transfer back to a number. And that's what we're going to take advantage of in our cryptology program here. So first thing, we need a message to translate. We'll say message is equal to, we'll make a list of separate messages. Yes. First message will be meet at the usual place around 4. Bring the thing we talked about. Can never be too safe. And then the third message will be don't be followed. And I've made too much space here. That's how you make a list of messages. Let me just run that to make sure that doesn't break anything.